Hey, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to this travel channel, where we explore the world without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after topics in travel: traveling on a budget. Before we embark on this budget travel journey, let me share with you why it's such an incredible way to explore our beautiful planet. Benefits of budget travel. Budget travel isn't just about saving money, it's about maximizing your experiences. By choosing this path, you're giving yourself the gift of more adventures, longer trips, and unforgettable memories, all without the hefty price tag. Imagine having the freedom to explore multiple destinations in a year, or taking that dream sabbatical you've always wanted. Budget travel can make all of this possible. Now, let's dive into the first crucial step of budget travel: planning and research. The key here is to be an informed traveler. Before booking anything, spend time researching budget-friendly destinations and the best deals available. Websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights are your best friends when it comes to finding great deals on flights. Additionally, explore travel blogs and forums to get insider tips and first-hand experiences from fellow budget travelers. Knowledge is power in the world of travel. Budgeting tips. Now that you've gathered all this information, it's time to create a budget. Creating a detailed travel budget plan is essential. Break down your expected expenses, including transportation, accommodation, food, and activities. This will help you set realistic spending limits and avoid overspending during your trip. Don't forget to allocate some funds for unexpected expenses or emergencies. It's better to be prepared. Remember, choosing budget-friendly destinations can significantly impact your overall expenses. Traveling to countries with lower costs of living can make your budget go much further. Accommodation options. Let's move on to another substantial part of your travel expenses: accommodation. There's a wide range of budget-friendly accommodation options out there. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals. These not only save you money but also provide unique and often culturally enriching experiences. One key tip is to book your accommodation well in advance to secure the best deals. Last-minute bookings can sometimes be costly. Transportation tips. When it comes to flights, flexibility is your best friend. Be open to adjusting your travel dates to find the most affordable options. Use fare comparison websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights to track prices and snag those sweet deals. Consider flying with budget airlines, which often offer lower fares. Just be sure to read the fine print regarding baggage fees and additional charges. For shorter distances, buses, trains, and carpooling are cost-effective alternatives. Plus, they allow you to see more of the local scenery and culture. Eating on a budget. Eating on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or authenticity. Seek out local markets and street stalls to savor delicious and affordable dishes. Try the local cuisine. It's often more budget-friendly than international restaurants. If you have access to a kitchen in your accommodation, consider cooking simple meals. Grocery shopping at local stores or markets can be a fun cultural experience and a great way to save. Don't forget to indulge in a few splurges too. It's all part of the adventure. Free and low-cost activities. Exploring doesn't have to break the bank. Many destinations offer free or low-cost attractions and activities. Look for museums, parks, hiking trails, and cultural events that won't dent your budget. Some cities offer tourist passes that provide discounts on multiple attractions. These can be a great way to save money while enjoying everything a place has to offer. Traveling light. Packing smart can save you money and hassle. Traveling with just the essentials not only makes your trip more manageable but can also save you money on baggage fees. Remember, you can always do laundry on the road. Consider packing versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Roll your clothes to save space and use packing cubes to stay organized. Safety and security. Now, let's talk about something we can't overlook. Safety. Budget travel doesn't mean sacrificing safety. Take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. Invest in a quality lock for your suitcase or backpack and be vigilant about your surroundings. Also, safeguard your digital information when using public Wi-Fi. Consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to protect your online activities. Real-life examples. To give you a real-world perspective, let me share a personal travel story. During my journey to Greece, I applied these budget travel tips and not only saved a significant amount of money but also had some of the most incredible experiences of my life. It goes to show that with the right mindset and a little planning, budget travel can be incredibly rewarding. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to traveling on a budget. By making informed choices, setting a budget, and embracing the adventure, you can explore the world without emptying your wallet. Ready to start planning your budget-friendly adventure? Click the link below to book your flights, accommodation, cars, and more, all while earning cashback on your travel expenses. Don't miss out on savings for your next journey. Click now and let the adventure begin. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and exciting adventures. Do you have questions or want to share your budget travel stories? Feel free to leave them in the comments below.